When we walked up, we walked around there, up those stairs, through this market, went into the fort. Now we're leaving the fort and we're going down this road. Now we're exploring. We're heading back towards the ship area, but we're not going back initially yet. We're just taking our way going down, see what we can find. That looks nice, those little stairs. Goombay punch, y'all. You know what it is, you know what it is, and you know it's good. And I was telling Scott he needs to try Goombay punch. We just came right here on the road, and right there is where we went to the staircase, right in the corner. All right, just so you guys know, once again, we're still in Sands. Queen Staircase is right there, and we're gonna go this way. You can see the ship, so you know which way to go back. And watch out for the traffic. They do drive on the opposite side from us in the US. And if you have a new hat like me, watch this blind side.
I don't think these cars are gonna stop, so.
Yeah. And sometimes there's no sidewalk, so just stay on the edge and be careful. What is this sign? That sign with the exclamation mark. Is it? Yeah, what does it mean? Why is it there and what's about to happen? That's what I'm saying. This is a beautiful building and it says it's the Nassau Public Library and Museum. Opening hours, it says it's open. This is a beautiful building. Oh my God. Doesn't work? Maybe it's not the entrance. Sorry, no viewing, but wow. I just want to go in there even just to go inside that old building. It's beautiful. That looks so scary. God, look at that beautiful old tree. Oh my gosh. I love how the trees here have so much covering. I mean, obviously it fits. It's in the Bahamas, you know, we need it, but. Whoa. It's huge. This is the best water I've had. Having it frozen with a piece of ice in there, and then I put it in my bag and it melts more and I have more water. It's so refreshing. It's 11:43. Look at this. Look at the drain grate. I saw the little store and I wouldn't go in there because, well, he wants a conch shell. He just told me that, but also it's cute and they might have one. And
it's probably when they get hit with the hurricanes, all the way.
Oh yeah. Never been in here. Old Nassau Cafe. Like what? Hi. Oh, it's nice. They have lots of delicious sounding lattes and teas and foods. And look, they have games at the tables. And then there's a gift shop back here. That's a
Same
beautiful
thing,
conch shell.
like this is the starfish, so that was in there. In order for it to not smell,
Oh yeah, you have to take it out.
you have to take that out.
Nice.
Yes. So those are the conch shells.
There's coconut water with jelly coconut pulp. But dude, this coconut water is made right here in Nassau. It's probably super delicious. Oh my God. How do they even get out of their car? Like for real. I really recommend going in there. It's really, really nice. The old Nassau Cafe. The smell of the food. Oh.
What did she say? She had like pumpkin soup?
Yes, they were making pumpkin soup and it would.
That's probably what we smelled.
It was right here in 15 minutes. And they had that coconut water and iced tea. Was it raspberry iced tea with fever grass? Yeah. And I was gonna get that conch shell, only $10, but they don't take anything but cash, like not even credit card. And I know I should be prepared, but I wasn't.
Spent all my cash already.
Yeah, and like you said, it wasn't meant to be, so. New ship in port, the MSC, I don't know how to say it, Meraviglia? The MSC MERAVIGLIA or something like that. That's the street we just walked down with that cafe. That's the Parliament House. That's Parliament Street. He's going to the bank to see about using the ATM. It's too late for us to get the bus to go to the Duff, which is where we wanted to go, the new Duff. It's like this cool restaurant with these things called like Duffs. I don't know what they are. I gotta look more into it, but I saw the pictures of the food. Look it up, the new Duff online. Wow, there is a bunch of ATMs. This is like a room of ATMs. That little room is full of ATMs and it's right across from the Pandora store with the guide and actually right across Parliament. But was there additional fees or anything that you saw by chance? Some ATMs out of country adds fees. Your bank might add fees.
$0 fee.
You just got $20 out for free? That's nice. Nice. Look, there we're back at Starbucks. We went up, we did like a circle. It's hopping out now. This morning we got here, nothing was open, right? It's 12:06. And there's a party somewhere right there. I don't know where. We're at the straw market again. Scott's on a mission for a small as possible without being illegal conch shell. So we walked back here. Here's Senor Frog, just to give you guys an idea. There's the ships. This is the main little road. If you follow this road, it goes to Junkanoo Beach. Better go look at the shells. They have this little craft market here, and this is where I told him he would probably find his shells. And boom, shells. They're so cute and little. They're fresh. I'm gonna go check out these shells and wood carvings over here. Look at all the stuff going on over here. This is new-ish, like jet skiing, snorkeling.
The ones don't make them like the big ones. I give you a big one for 20.
Do you know how to do it?
Yeah, man. That's a horn right there.
You said little ones don't make it?
You know how to do it?
Can,
Yeah,
can,
I can let her do it as soon as she comes.
Which are the little ones though, just because they're cute.
$10. He said 2 for 20.
Nice. Woo! I think I put your lips in there or what? Like inside the
Yes.
hole? You got her lips were in the hole.
Like a trumpet.
Ah.
It's only $10 and she proved how to do it. Now we know.
You're gonna go back to the room and try it, right? We came back to the straw market. He said his $10 he got from the ATM left from the conch shell was burning a hole in his pocket, and he got a cutest little drum. I love it because of it's just the blue water and it's so cute. Oh, he's a drummer. Oh, he likes drums.
You got a little handle.
Aww. Now you can play the drums on there. We just walked through the gates, so we're officially in the port. Right behind me is Pirate Republic. I've been there many times. You guys should check it out if you want. I have it in vlogs. It's really nice. But we're getting ready to go in there. You do need your ship card to get back in the actual, like, when we're ready to go through the gates to go onto the ship pier. But there's also lots of things in here. Food, shopping, all kinds of stuff. And this port is so much better now, okay? So much better. Didn't get to go there last time. Didn't get to go here this time. Probably maybe go to the Junkanoo Museum next time. There's a ship, so we're going to ready to go through the gate. You have to have your ship card out. It's 12:41. We had to be back. We'll be back on at 2:15. Yep, there she is, the MSC Meraviglia. Like I said, I don't know how to say it. But I was going to go on the ship, I think before COVID. I think it's the one me and Chris had booked with the free, like a balcony upgrade and free drinks and free everything. And it was only like $200 or $300 a person. And then COVID happened and it got canceled on us. I never got to go on it, but I will go on it again soon. Again, when we got off the ship, we saw the sign over there. This one here, tram pickup. Reserve for disabled guests. It might just be for disabled guests. I don't know. I was about to go that way to get on that ship. That's where we're always at, on this pier. I don't remember the last time I've ever been way over here on this pier. She's a beauty though, isn't she? This is just amazing. This is an amazing day so far. There's still so much more to do. Yes, I would love some water. Oh, how refreshing. Oh, and I would love a wet towel. Thank you. Oh, this one is extra icy. Oh, this is actually ice cold. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. Wait, didn't the first day of the island you were like, what are these towels for? What do you need these for? I'm like, you're gonna want them. We're back. It's 1:11. We just got back to the room. It feels so good. How good does it feel back to be in your nice room after walking? How long we left? We've been out there hours walking everywhere. But this is what we have upon our return. We have a reminder that today is the last day of the cruise and tomorrow is the day that we are debarking. These are your luggage tags they give you to put on your luggage. If you're going to be putting your luggage in the hallway tonight, you have a certain time to do about. We can go over this later. But this gives you all the information you need to get off of the ship tomorrow. I do know we're coming to port at 7 in the morning. It's like when we can probably start getting off. Approximate disembarkation time 7:45. Wow. That's good. Does it sound like hers?
I think yours was a little bit better, but...
It's 2:14. We came to the Lido for some lunch. It's pretty busy. I think a lot of people are hungry after the port day. But we're just checking out what food there is. The ship leaves at 3 o'clock. And all aboard time is in 1 minute from now. Ooh! Nassau's a good place to watch for pier runners. There's so many choices. It's always so hard to pick. This mashed potatoes look really good. And look, they have roasted lamb. They have roasted lamb leg. And there's the mint jelly. Oh, pizza. Hi. Yum. Yum. Ooh, I'm having a piece of pizza. They have brie, and I'm so excited. I missed it. This is my first brie I've had on the ship, and this is the last day of the cruise. What the heck? And then also the tomato mozzarella salad here is the best stuff I've ever had. Like any, it's just the best. The chunky mozzarella, the fresh tomatoes, it's the best. I'm so happy. I'm so freaking hungry. I can't even tell you. We're just trying to find a table. It's like no tables in here. Everybody has to be on the ship now, and everybody hungry because it's time to be on the ship. Lunchtime. So what I ended up getting was some brie, some tomato mozzarella salad, some of that salmon, and a piece of pizza.
Cuban sandwich. hummus, some chicken, lamb, mashed potatoes,
Ooh.
ramen salad.
I'm very excited. Right now it's 2:34. I'm still working on eating. I'm looking right now to see what there is to do tonight. I know one thing that there is, and we're staying up for it. It's luckily not too late anyway, but it's the Quest game show, and it's going to be the funnest thing ever. You guys will have to be here for it. After that, let's see what we have. Listen, they're calling people. They're calling people to the desk, and when they do that, when all aboard has happened, that's a bunch of people. They could be late from excursion or maybe just not be on the ship. It hardly ever happens, but that's usually what it is. It's 2:50, we're done eating. We're gonna go find somewhere cool to sit. So remember how we just heard them calling all those people's names? It apparently was people who were on the ship. Because they just said that they saw multiple people, pier runners, coming onto this ship.
5 of them.
5?
2 came in a white, tram thing.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
One kid ran the entire way.
This is my worst nightmare. I actually have nightmares about this. I have nightmares about it.
I know, right?
They're still calling names. The people who are still missing.
Yeah, because they know,
Yeah.
right? You check out with your car.
Yeah,
you
they're
gotta
missing.
Check back in with your car.
Yeah, that hardly ever happens. So I guess there might be more pier runners here. I hope they make the ship. We came over here to look because look how little the sunshine is. Like, we're on deck 16 and we can see in the entire pool deck. Video tip, when you're in the buffet, okay, it's a buffet that starts like mid-ship by the jungle area. You come in, you walk all the way around and you can get food everywhere and it's really cool. And then if you got the very back here at the back of the ship, there's an elevator that, like the glass one. If you're looking for the mid-back ship elevator, it's right here in the middle of the Lido. It's like hiding, see? Hiding. Took us days to find it. So come to the middle of the Lido and then find the elevator bank. 3:07 and I just realized, wait, we're supposed to leave at 3 and we haven't left yet. Look, we're smushed in between ships. I love it. I love it. We're a ship sandwich. Anyway, we haven't left. That's because they're missing passengers. You guys book with the ship. Oh, that's a cool deck. And we've been trying to find that deck and look. This door opening to the inside tells me that's probably a crew member deck or crew access only. We did see a door down there, but every time we've seen it, it's closed off. So that water is gorgeous. Look at the palm trees. It's so gorgeous. I'm gonna miss the ship so much. I'll totally come back on this ship.
Bar with nobody at it.
And it's the casino bar, which along with the pool bar is one of the most busy bars in the ship the whole time. How's that possible? Because everybody just got on the ship and they're all in the Lido right now, right? Where we just were. That's where they're all at. What? They're not open, that's why. We're gonna try the sports bar for the first time since the other bar wasn't open yet. We're moving. We are moving and there's the magic and it's 3:12 and we're on our way. Our next stop will be Port Canaveral, Florida. Cheers. It's 3:30 and we're in the main theater again for a game show called Guess the Celebrity. We don't know what it is. We're just gonna check it out.
No one here.
I know. And how long till it starts? 6 minutes? Well, yeah. Actually, there's like, I think everybody's still eating and showering from the port, honestly. Plus, it's the last night of the cruise and traditionally, a lot of people, they go to bed early, they're packing, this is the last day of the cruise, like, it'll be more quiet.
So my
Just
name is
everybody's
Hannah,
sad
I'm the
'cause
cruise
we're going home
manager on
tomorrow.
board here on MSC Seashore, and I'm gonna do a very funny game with you here today called Guess the Celebrity.
They need 10 people. I
You
don't think
wanna
there's 10
try?
people in
Okay,
here.
I'm gonna make you try first. Yeah.
We're gonna see
Okay.
how this show goes. Okay, so someone sits in a chair.
Audience, can you see him? See?
Yes.
Okay.
Would you
So
know who
he's
that
gonna
was,
ask
Scott?
now 10 different questions.
See,
and he's
you
gonna try
put
to
it-
figure out who
I'm trying to get
is
Scott
the
to go up there.
person
I'm not gonna peer
in the back.
pressure anybody. He
So
says he doesn't know
remember,
celebrities. Do you know who that
only
is?
Yes or no questions, okay? Are you
Okay.
ready? The
We'll
first
see how many
question.
more you
What do
know.
want to ask? It is a man.
Oh, this is
Very
how they
good.
do it. They ask
So you have to be
questions.
clever with your questions, okay? To make it easier
That's
for you to
fun.
figure out who. Next question.
Is this person an actor?
He's
Is
gonna.
it an actor? No. It's not.
How are you ever
an
gonna
actor.
guess? 421. They're getting ready to do bingo. There's the prices. 3 triple cards for $50 would be our best deal. So that's 9 games for $50. 9 chances to win a free cruise for $50.
You can just take that $50 and save it and put it towards a cruise.
That's right. So true.